4-core concealed socket, wiring demo. Unscrew the screw inside the plug, wiring panel exposed. Unscrew the crimping lug and the wiring hole screws. Cut a cross hole in the tail wiring hole and insert the cable into the wiring hole. Loosen the screws one by one. Grounding access to yellow and green double-colored wires. LE fire wire, connect to the yellow wire. LR fire wire, connect to the green wire. L3 fire wire, connect to the red wire. Tighten the crimping nose screw.